Hi everyone, here we've got Realme X2 Pro, and let me share with you how to update apps on this device. So firstly, make sure that you've got the internet connection, and the best option is to use the Wi-Fi connection. And then let's enter the Play Store, so let's tap on it. Now we have to tap on this three bars icon in the left upper corner and tap on My Apps and Games. And as you can see here, we've got the list of all updates pending. Of course, you can update all of those apps with only one click just by tapping on this green button, Update All. But if you'd like to update only one of those apps or two of them, then all you have to do is simply find it in the list. So let me pick the Gmail, for example, and tap on Update. As you can see, it immediately disappears, but after getting back to the very top of the list, you can see that it appears right here, and now it will be installed and successfully automatically updated. So actually that's all. This is how to update apps in your Realme X2 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.